What's happening, guys? We're back in the shed today, and we're gonna do a bit of machining this episode. Alright, so this episode is going to be mostly spent on the lathe. We need to build a couple little spacers for those 1/2-inch bolts that hold the rear forelinks on, as well as a crush sleeve for the panhard bar mount. We need those little spacers there for when we go to make a double shear. We need to leave enough space in there for the Heim joint to still actuate or move. So we gotta build little, we'll see what they look like in a bit. But before we jump over to the lathe, I got a care package this week from Summit Racing. Let's go dig into that and show you guys what we got. All right, here's our Summit care package. It's all front suspension components. So we got some, these are tie rod ends off of I don't know what they're off of. We got two different sizes of tie rod ends. Here, I'll get a little closer. We got these ones here. These are gonna be our upper ball joints. And then we got these big mamma jammas here. These are gonna be our lower ball joints. So they're both tie rod ends, which is nice. They're both threaded. We don't have to get like machined cups or anything, but we will have to get a couple of sleeves machined with this thread on it to go into our lower control arm. But that's okay. We can make that work. We also got some Heim joints. We got some with, I think this is a 5/8 inch hole in them. So those will be for our lower control arm. They'll allow us to run 5/8 bolts on the bottom, which will make them nice and strong. And then we also got some with just a 1/2 inch hole, probably for the upper control arm, where you don't really need the strength. So there's a bit of work to do though. This is our upright that we got a long time ago. The upper ball joint is a little bit too big for it, so we got to get that hole just reamed out a little bit. But I'll get that done and then get some sleeves made. And then we can start working on the front suspension. So that'll be in a couple episodes from now though. In the meantime, let's jump over to the lathe and get to work. And that's what we end up with. It's just a little 1/4 inch thick spacer with a 30-degree taper on the one end. And it fits on my 1/2 inch bolts. And then it'll go, there we go. There's one of our Heims. They'll just fit up against the face of that Heim joint and give it lots of movement. These are sometimes called like a high clearance washer or something. Unfortunately, I need 16 more of these, so back to work.
Yeah.
All right, we got our spacers built. We'll stick those in place of those nuts on the trailing arm. And then I also made this. It's just a crush sleeve for the panhard bar mount. So we'll undo that, grab a drill. We gotta drill that hole out to this diameter, slide this guy in, and then weld both sides of it. And then that'll be where we bolt to. So let's go. Alright, that's all welded in. It's hot as hell, so we're not going to do anything else with it today. I'm going to call the episode there, guys. We got those spacers machined. We got that kind of crush sleeve, I guess, welded in for the panhard mount. Next week we'll pick back up and weld that back in the car. So in the meantime, if you haven't already, guys, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next week. I'm out of here.